What I wish I knew at 10 instead of 30, that animals are comedy gold. Coming in hot at number 3, we have the cat that thinks it's a ninja. Spoiler, it's more like a clumsy gymnast. Watch how it tries to jump from the couch to the table. Nailed it. Or not. At number 2, we've got a dog that's mastered the art of sneaking snacks. This pup's got moves smoother than James Bond. Who knew stealing a cookie could look so graceful? And finally, our number 1 spot goes to, drumroll please, the baby goat that thinks it's in Cirque du Soleil. This little guy's jumps and flips would make any acrobat jealous, just look at those hops. So there you have it folks, 3 animal moments you just can't miss. Give your pets a hug and maybe a camera too. Who knows, they might be the next viral sensation. Like and subscribe for more laughs. Catch you next time.